There is a table which gives the values of sine 0 degree, cos 30 degree, tan 45 degree, cosecant 60 degree, secant 90 degree, cot 0 degree, and so on. You might have already learnt these values. We are going to learn how to remember these values. Is there any tricky way to learn these values? Yes, we shall now learn this tricky way. If you know the values for sine function, we can easily find the other values. How to learn the values for sine? We are going to learn the values for sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree, and sine 90 degree. Fill up the columns by starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We divide these numbers by ending number 4. Thus we get 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Now simplifying 0 by 4 is 0. Next, 1 by 4 is 1 by 4 itself. In 2 by 4 there is a common factor 2. By simplifying we get 1 by 2. We can't simplify 3 by 4, right as it is. While simplifying 4 by 4, there is a common factor 4, thus we get 1. Now take the square root for each value. Root 0 is 0, square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2, square root of 1 by 2 is 1 by root 2, root 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2, and root 1 is 1. Thus, sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 degree is 1. Hence, try to learn this simple process, how to find the values of sine function. Now, to find the values of cos function, reverse the sine function. Hence, cos 0 degree is 1, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, and cos 90 degree is 0. We know sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Hence, to find the values of tan function, the value of sine divided by the value of cos. Thus, tan 0 degree is 0 by 1 is 0. To find tan 30 degree, take the numerator of sine, divide by numerator of cos. Hence, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Now to find tan 45 degree, take the numerator of sine, divide by the numerator of cos, that is 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. To find tan 60 degree, take the numerator of sine root 3, divide by the numerator of cos 1, that is root 3 by 1, that is equal to root 3. To find tan 90 degree, 1 by 0. Since any number divided by 0 is not defined, here tan 90 degree is not defined. Now we shall find the value of cosecant function. We know cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. Therefore, the reciprocal of sine function is cosecant. Hence, cosecant 0 degree is 1 by 0. That is not defined. Cosecant 30 degree is the reciprocal of sine 30 degree. That is the reciprocal of 1 by 2. That is 2. Cosecant 45 degree is reciprocal of sine 45 degree. That is the reciprocal of 1 by root 2. That is root 2. Cosecant 60 degree is reciprocal of sine 60 degree. That is equal to reciprocal of root 3 by 2. That is equal to 2 by root 3. Cosecant 90 degree is reciprocal of sine 90 degree. That is reciprocal of 1. That is equal to 1. Similarly, secant function is reciprocal of cos function. Hence, secant 0 degree is 1 itself. Secant 30 degree is the reciprocal of cos 30 degree. That is reciprocal of root 3 by 2. That is 2 by root 3. Secant 45 degree is the reciprocal of cos 45 degree. That is reciprocal of 1 by root 2. That is root 2. Secant 60 degree is the reciprocal of cos 60 degree. That is reciprocal of 1 by 2. That is 2. Secant 90 degree is the reciprocal of cos 90 degree. That is reciprocal of 0. That is 1 by 0. Hence, secant 90 degree is undefined. We shall now find out the values of cot function. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. Hence, cot 0 degree is the reciprocal of tan 0 degree. The reciprocal of 0 is 1 by 0. That is undefined. Cot 30 degree is the reciprocal of tan 30 degree. That is reciprocal of 1 by root 3. That is root 3. Cot 45 degree is the reciprocal of tan 45 degree. That is reciprocal of 1. That is 1 itself. Cot 60 degree is the reciprocal of tan 60 degree. That is the reciprocal of root 3. That is 1 by root 3. Cot 90 degree is the reciprocal of undefined. Undefined is 1 by 0. Thus, the reciprocal of 1 by 0 is 0. Hence, it is enough if you know the process of finding sine function. By using sine function, we can easily find the rest of the trigonometric values. I hope you might have understood how to find these values. If you like it, subscribe and share this channel. Thank you.